how to clear only cache images and files in Google Chrome browser for Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to only clear cache images and files in Google Chrome browser, you'll need to open up the settings on your Android and then scroll down and you'll find apps, tap on it and now search for Google Chrome. And once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and go to storage. Now here you can see clear cache and clear data options. So you have to tap on it and then all the cache and all the data will be cleared. So if you don't want to clear the data, then you can just leave it. You can just clear the cache and you can see that the cache has turned into 0. And it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.